Are you ready for Christmas? If you're new here, hi, I'm Jujani, and today we have an exciting nail video for you. So Christmas is coming soon, which means we need to get our Christmas spirit ready. So today we're going to show you how to do Christmas-inspired nails at home by yourself. We'll walk you through the steps. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's go get our nails done. The base coat is already on, so let's move on to Santa's red hat. Use a red nail polish to create Santa's Christmas hat, applying only at the top. Then use a white nail polish to create Santa's beard. It's cuter if you round the edges. Then cure the gel nail. Add dots along the edges using a nail art ball pen. And then place a red dot in the middle of the beard for the nose. Use a toothpick to make two black eyes above the nose. Cure it and apply a top coat. And you're done. The next design is a Christmas tree and Christmas wreath. First, use a nail art brush and draw a small triangle and a big triangle below for the tree. Draw a circle on the other nail for the wreath. Draw a small rectangle below the tree for the trunk, and then cure the nails. Apply a layer of top coat and place a star at the top of the tree. Then add big glitters here and there for the ornaments. And cure the tree. Same goes for the wreath. You can add different glitters and beads you want to decorate the wreath. And cure the nails in between. You can also add red dots to add more color. And you're ready for Christmas. So, which one was your favorite? My favorite was Santa Claus, little mini Santa Claus. Comment down below what you're going to do this Christmas. For me, I'll probably be in bed drinking hot tea and watching romance comedy on Netflix. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload. Okay, see you next time. Bye!